Whipping and flipping the bricks, yeah, we be sending them hits, we hear them licks, just know we shoot, we don't miss, yeah, we loving the sex, yeah, long as she throwing that neck, yeah, Bob will say he next, yeah, we out here. Alright guys, we started the video off today, my homies FRS, y'all haven't seen it yet, we gotta do a little quick mod, you already know how it is. This will be good, right bro? No,
bigger than that.
Bigger than that, right? Facts.
There we go. This will be good. Let's go.
A little license plate delete. You already know. Gang, gang. Money, gang. Money, gang. We got 2 mods coming in today for 2 different cars. Nobody does it like GT Garage. You already know.
I didn't watch it. Don't look at it.
Yeah, don't look at it that much.
Oh, I think it might be smaller. Yeah.
Smaller?
Yeah.
Told you, idiot.
Okay, sorry.
El Carnal just pulled up. A little something coming through for this hoe too. Stay tuned. My nigga with a jean jacket, and that's that, idiots. Oh no. Say what's up to GT Garage, idiot. Gang, gang. Hey, come through, bro. Phew. Chill, bro. I'ma just. Hey, come down. We're gonna do a little something to the FRS.
Who is that?
Oh, that nigga never came in.
Then I'm gonna just keep.
And I just got a new bumper that way. The whole came out.
No. There we go.
And that's that.
And that's that.
The quickest mod ever.
Thanks. Hopefully this shit doesn't keep.
Hey, just wash that shit
Yeah,
before.
Yeah, just a little wash.
No, that's tonight, I think.
That's better.
And that's that.
Go.
Alright, let's do it. Like you're cruising for a bruising, and that's that.
That's it.
Big things coming, oh no. And that's that.
That's that.
Some light. Fuck you, pussy. And that's that. I would say he next, yeah. We out here looking like a check, yeah. Party boys with the flex, yeah. Fuck your bitch, yeah, you my ex, yeah. She only hit me for the sex, yeah. I read it and don't send a text, yeah. You know when we pull up, we fresh, yeah. Straight down, we count the greens, yeah. All I want is keep up, pussy ass niggas, and that's that. Alright, my nigga finna get either this hoe, it's between this one or this one for the Camaro. And that's that.
That's that. Keep up.
Idiots. So we'll see. No. Louder, idiot.
Louder.
Is that it?
I never noticed.
What? I thought it was a lot louder.
Something deeper in your voice, like
It does sound a lot louder inside, right? Hey, but SS coming through. Idiots. Keep up.
keep up.
See, mine's like a V. He had to do like a V.
That's just gonna sound clean, G.
Huh?
It's gonna sound clean, bro.
I'm basically taking big ass box. Yeah. See, they're like a little V type shit. They told me $2 $220. No, like, you know. Que saying if she stunts on me.
She doesn't.
Bitch.
She's not gonna stunt. She already gave me the go.
If she's stunts and she's vegan, put green, nigga.
She probably see this shit and be like, what the fuck, talking shit?
Bro.
Hey, tell me when I revert.
Alright. Me. Bro, it sounds mean, not gonna lie. Mean. You're good, nigga. You just straight that hoe back. Bro. Hey, bro, you gotta pull out and fucking do like a. Oh, yeah, you're right.
like deep, you know?
Hey, now you just need an intake.
Whipping and flipping the bricks. Yeah, we be sanding them heads, we hit them licks. No, we shoot, we don't miss. Yeah, we loving this sex. Yeah, long as you throwing that ass. Yeah, Bible say he next. Yeah, we out here looking like a check. Yeah, party boys with the flex. Yeah, fuck your bitch, yeah, you my ex. Yeah, she only